Anywhere you go, give it on.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at some amazing Android icon packs which I believe you should try using them. Now aside amazing Android apps, I also make Android videos about customization, tips and tricks, and other Android how-to videos. So please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos, and with that being said, let's check out the icon packs. Minimalist icon pack is the first on this list. The app has very flat and unsaturated look of icons to help you come out with beautiful yet simple home screen setups. There are over 6,000 eye-catching icons in this app. Many of the icons has this boxy look to it, and they cover almost every app I have on my phone. I love particularly the look of the icons for games. They look very live and eye-catching. This icon pack is compatible with many Android launchers on the Play Store, both popular and non-popular ones. The app comes with some beautiful wallpapers as well to match the icons. You can also request for icons if some of the apps on your phone is not covered by this app. You can try out this app if you want some bold yet clean icons, link in the description. Next is Crayon icon pack. Crayon icon pack has very colorful icons with thick borders that pop off the screen. With over 5,000 icons in this app, Crayon does a good job when it comes to customizing your home screen. It further does a better job when they are used on lighter wallpapers. If you're a home screen customization freak, then I'm sure you'll come out with perfect setups with this icon pack. I love the wallpapers that comes with this app. They are very perfect. Again, you can use this icon pack on many Android launchers. Definitely check it out. Last one on this list is Signal's Dark icon pack. The icon pack has over 1,000 icons, and they are all very saturated with light shadows and blacks in them. What I love about this one is that it provides more than one icon for popular apps. It has about 4 icons with different colors for WhatsApp, and same as YouTube and other popular apps. With just over 1,000 icons, the app hardly covers all the apps on my phone, but I love it because it covers apps that are normally on the home screen. Yet still, you can request for icons from the developers. And finally, this app being the dark version, there is also a light version which you can check out as well on the Play Store. Hey guys, I do believe you enjoyed the video. If you did, once again, please consider subscribing to the channel and please leave a like as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.